To use pop-up view feature to display multiple apps from recent apps in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, assuming that you have opened some apps, tap the recent button to see all recently opened apps. Find the app you'd like to open in pop-up view. Tap the app icon and then select Open in pop-up view. Next, go back to the recent app screen by tapping the recent button. Find another app you like to open in pop-up view. Tap the app icon and then select Open in pop-up view. If needed, you can go back to the recent app screen again and repeat the previous step to open another apps in pop-up view. While you are viewing an app in pop-up view, you can do the following things. First, you can resize the pop-up by dragging the side of the pop-up inside or outside. Second, you can move the pop-up by dragging the blue line icon on the upper section of the pop-up. Third, you can use additional option for the pop-up. To do so, tap the blue line icon on the upper section of the pop-up. You can see some icon appears in there. From the left to the right, tap show or hide additional option icon to show or hide additional option for the pop-up. The change of this option will affect all pop-ups. Tap the split screen icon to view the pop-up in split screen view. Tap the transparency level icon to adjust the transparency level of the pop-up. Tap minimize icon to minimize the pop-up as the floating app icon. You can tap the floating icon to view the app in the pop-up view again. Tap maximize icon to view the app in full screen view. And the last one, tap the X icon to close the pop-up. As a note, if you have updating your phone to Android 14, when you open an app in pop-up view and you go to the recent app screen, pop-up will remain open after you leave the recent app screen, so you can continue what you were working on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.